Welcome to Soul Society. In this video, I will explain how to treat amenorrhea. The disappearance of menses must be checked out by the gynecologist. Most of the time, it is a breakdown of the simple hormonal balance. The appearance of the menses can be related to the effects of progestogen hormone treatment, in oral form, or associated with an IUD. The disappearance of menses can also be the result of an emotional attack or a shock. Hormonal tests, an ultrasound, and the opinion of the gynecologist will clarify the cause of the problem. There are several medications that can help. Follow the remedy. In all cases, we can try the alternation every evening of Folliculinum 4CH and Luteinum 4CH, one evening, alternatively, once Folliculinum, once Luteinum. Opium 30CH, a dose to take if you have amenorrhea, after intense fear. Gelsemium 30CH, one dose, should be taken after a big and strong upset. Sepia 9CH, one per week if amenorrhea is in a context of depressive sadness with isolation. Pulsatilla 9CH, one dose per week, in the cases of long periods without menses, variable and unexpected menses. Homeopathic remedies must be taken away from meals, 10 minutes before the meal or 30 minutes after the meals, and absorbed lingually, under the tongue. Foods or exciting substances or strong tastes, coffee, tea, mint, essential oil, can interact with homeopathy. Avoid the consumption of mint as well as the use of a mint toothpaste while taking homeopathic medicine. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. In the next video, I will talk about how to allay anxiety with agnosia. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.